Hi everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining us today. We're here again for another masterclass from Mr. Lodi. I am going to cut this short and pass it straight over to Mr. Lodi so we can get into the lesson.
Thank you. Thank you so much. First of all, it's always an honor for me to be on your platform. And today we're going to be discussing the most important pattern of Dholak, which is called Medium Kherwa.
Okay.
Right. I personally, really, rate this pattern very highly, and this is one of my favorite pattern. And whenever I touch my Dholak, this is the most frequent pattern that I used to play on
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Right. So if you uh, give enough time to this pattern, if you master this one properly, you will be able to play this pattern with most of the songs. And there's another advantage. This is not too fast, not slow, right? So this is where we play on medium speed. So we are free to play little slow in place of slow Kherwa.
Okay.
And also, if we try to push it little bit, we'll be able to play on medium Kherwa as well. So this is very flexible pattern. You can play this anywhere, right? So
Great.
first of all, the bowls are dhit, dhina, tit, dhina. We have just 4 bowls, but we have 8 beats because we are considering these bowls as a pair. First of all, let me show you how it sounds.
Okay.
Right, so this is the idle speed where we play this pattern, but we are allowed to try to increase the speed. Also, if we want to play slow, so this one is very flexible. Now when it comes to play, it is very complicated. Again, I'm saying this dhit dhina tit dhina. First of all, I'm trying to show you both the hands over here.
Okay.
Dhi, ta, dhi, na, ti, ta, dhi, na. That means wherever we are playing dhi, we have to play bass along.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So we are not focusing on the bass first. We are working here only. Dhi, ta should be soft. Dhi again very soft. Na loud.
Okay.
Ti, ta soft. Dhi again soft and na loud. Ultimately, we have just na that we are playing outside can be loud. Rest of the bowls should be very soft.
Right.
And the more the bowls are soft, the more your pattern sounds better.
Okay. Sure.
Even let me show it to you. If I play all the bowls equal, now inner bowl soft, it makes a huge difference, right?
Yeah, big difference.
So whenever you're playing inner bowls, try to restrict your hand. Whenever we play, we always apply force, right? So we're not supposed to play the bowls. Ultimately, we'll have to just touch the surface. That's it.
Okay.
Right. So softly, the ta at the same spot. The most important thing is the spot what we are picking. The ta. It has to be the same spot where we are playing all the inner bowls. The ta, the na, ti, ta, the na. So the inner spot where we are playing all the inner bowls should be here, and the outer spot where we are playing na should be here, and it has to be even. We have two nas, dhit dhi na tit dhi na. Both should be here at the same spot, so that we'll get same kind of a sound.
Mm-hmm.
Right. So dhi t dhi na ti t dhi na dhi t dhi na ti t dhi na. When it comes to bass, this is what makes the difference. And we have total 3 basses over here. dit, dina, tit, dina. But if you are adding this base index, it becomes 4 bases.
Yeah.
Huh? And all 4 should be different than each other.
Okay.
First one is little, pressed bowl, where we're not allowed to give slide or normal. It has to be little pressed but no slide. Dit, dina is reverse and it is open. Right? Dit, dina, tita. So when we are playing tita, so this base index with ta, tita, tita. Right? So dit, dina, tita, dina. Last dina proper slide.
Okay.
Right? So let's focus here only. Dit, dina, tit, dina. Dit, dina, tit, dina. And one more thing, when you're finishing one cycle, dit, dina, tit, dina. After the last bass slide, you need to start playing the first dit right from here.
Okay.
Dit, dina, tit, dina. Dit, dina, tit, dina. Right? So this bass side as well as this madin side, there are few things that we have to keep in mind. All the bowls should be soft here, inner bowls, and here in the bass we have total 4 bass, all should be different than each other, right?
Okay.
Now when we play both the hands together, this is how we need to practice. First of all, slow speed. Di, ta, di, na, di, ta, di, na, and make sure that you are applying each and everything.
Okay.
That is why we are not focusing on the speed, or we are not focusing on the sound.
Okay.
Right now we are working on the technique. Di, ta, di, na, di, ta, di, na, di, ta, di, na, di, ta, di, na. Right?
Okay.
Yes. Please try.
Tita, dina, tita, dina.
Not bad. Not bad.
Tita, di. Oh, I missed that. Tita, dina.
Not bad. All you need some practice, and still it's very good. I'm telling you, because this is very complicated, and I can see that you are applying all the things right now.
Okay.
So I would like to mention this to your audience as well. Focus on the beat first. Then later on, the fillers, variations, and other stuff can be done. But if we are not good with the beat, rest of the things will be, waste for us.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Okay.
that is why we are just learning only the beat in today's class.
Thank you very much. Well, I guess that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, Mr. Lodi. Thank you. And guys, if you are following along, post your comments. Let us know how you're getting on. It'd be really, really nice for both of us to see if anybody else is following on with the lessons. But that is it for today. So thank you.